In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C. To get started, open your web browser and go to the DC DMV Online Services portal. This is the main place where Washington, D.C. provides access to ticket-related services online, and it's the easiest starting point if you want to look up a citation from your computer or phone. Once you're on the site, you'll be able to search for your ticket using either your ticket number or your vehicle license plate number. This is helpful because not everyone has the physical ticket in front of them. If you do have the citation available, using the ticket number is usually the fastest option. If not, your plate number may still help you locate the record. It's important to know that the exact method can vary depending on the type of ticket you're trying to view. If you're dealing with a parking ticket or a photo enforcement ticket, use the DC DMV ticket payment site. That site lets you look up fines tied to your ticket number or license plate, and it's commonly used to review ticket details before deciding what to do next. If you specifically want to see images connected to a photo-enforced moving violation, such as a camera-issued citation, you'll need to use the Automated Traffic Enforcement Public Inquiry portal. For that lookup, you'll generally need the ticket number and the PIN listed on the citation. That portal is designed for reviewing the photographic evidence associated with the violation, so it's the right choice when you want more detail beyond the basic ticket record. For a broader view of your vehicle's ticket activity, you can also sign up for the Ticket Alert Service, often called TAS. This option is useful if you want to monitor documents linked to your vehicle, including past tickets, photos, and payment history. It can save time if you want ongoing access instead of doing one-time searches whenever something comes up. And if after reviewing the citation, you're ready to move forward with payment, you can use the Pay Tickets directory or go directly to the online parking ticket payment page, depending on the type of ticket you have. Just make sure you're on the correct official DC government page before entering any information. As a quick tip, double check the ticket type before searching, because using the right portal can make the process much smoother. Keeping your ticket number, plate number, and any PIN from the citation nearby will also help you avoid delays. That's how to view a traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C.